Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the defense class. So let's give it a try. What you need to do is click the loadout and then tap the defender. This one. So this is the defense class. There are total of 4 skill or 4 perks that you can use. So that I want to show you is this one, the defender. So the defender is transforming shield. So the information place a transforming shield that cause a flashbang effect on surrounding hostiles. So it can defend you from the enemy, also give a flashy or blind the enemy nearby. And also this is the default passive skill or perks from the defense class. Reduce explosive damage and also the impact of negative status. So let's try in Battle Royale training ground. Let's get back. Battle Royale training ground, let's get started. So welcome to the Battle Royale training ground. As you can see, there are enemy far away. So let's launch the defender. Let's get closer. Launch the defender. So it's a transforming shield that gives enemy blind with the flashbang effect and also defends you from the fire of the enemy. Let's deploy. As you can see, the enemy get blind. So give it a try in the actual gameplay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.